Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is loops in Python. Okay, so these are the loops: while loops, for loops, nested loops, loop control statement. Okay, so Python has two primitive loops like while loops and for loops. So this is the flowchart of while loop. So if test expression is true, then iteration will continue. Okay, if test expression is false, then code will be exit from while loop. Okay, so with the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. Okay, so as given example, as you can see here, i's value is 1 while I is less than 6, it will print I and it will increment I's value by 1. So if I's value is 1, then 1 is less than 6, it will print 1 and it will increment the I's value. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 is less than 6, then it will print 2 like this. Okay, remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. So let's talk about Python for loops. I will tell you example of these after finishing the slide. Okay, so this is for loop. Using for loop we can execute a set of statements. For loops used for sequential iteration. Okay, so this is the list as you can see here. Now for I and S, it print I, so it will print every element of the S list. Okay, so let's see the example. Let's create one file like while. Okay, so I am using here like I's value is 1 and create one condition while I is less than 7, then it will print. Okay, it will print I and it will increment I's value. So okay, let's run it. Let's see the output. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I's value is 1, 1 is less than 7, so it will print 1 and it will increment the I's value. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so 2 is less than 7, so it will print 2. Now I's value is 3, so 3 is less than 7, so it will print 3 like this. Okay, so let's talk about for loop. So for, okay, so I am taking here one list. Okay, like this: red, blue, green. Okay, so for I in S, it will print I's value. So let's run it. Let's see. Yeah, it will printing all the element of this list. Okay, so we can apply for tuple also. Let's see. Let's suppose tuple is equal to 1, and let's suppose name. Okay, and let's suppose like this. These are the elements of the tuple. Okay, so for I in tuple, and it will print I. Okay, I am separating here with star, printing a star. Okay, so let's see what's the output. Yeah, as you can see here, it will print all the element of this tuple. Okay, so let's see for a string. Okay, so let's suppose a is equal to, okay, so for I in A, so it will print I. Okay, and again I am separating here with this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it will printing all the every character, every letter of this string. Okay, WAHWED. So this is for loop. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.